Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'll show you how to make an easy desert scene. I call this shot Uncharted. I'll also show you my editing process in Photoshop. Like my Arkham City video from a few weeks back, this statue came from a video game collector's edition. In this case it was Uncharted 3: Drake's Deception for the PlayStation 3. Creating a desert scene can be extraordinarily simple. In most cases, you just need some sand and a fitting background. Sand can be bought cheaply at most hardware stores. I get mine from Canadian Tire. Be sure to store your sand in a cool, dry area when you're not using it. There's been a lot of rain in my area lately, and I found out the hard way that sand can get moldy if you don't keep it dry. In addition to my sand, I also used some cinder blocks to create a stage for my statue. I needed a stage for this shot in order to cover up the gap under my background TV. Another thing to be careful of when using sand is to keep the sand away from any electrical outlets or plugs. I once plugged in a device that had some sand on it and nearly electrocuted myself. With the scene set, I simply placed my statue on the stage. I used a telephoto lens for this shot, and to keep my foreground and background depth of field consistent, I placed my statue about halfway between the camera and the TV. Once I finalized the lighting, it was time to shoot. Editing this shot was a cinch. All I really needed were a few adjustment layers. After a slight crop, I used the dodge tool to further adjust the lighting. Lastly, I used the brush tool to add a bit more blue to the sky. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.